A blizzard buried some 35,000 dairy cows in the snow. This one shows more pictures. Says the day after Texas experienced weird temperatures and tornadoes on Christmas Day, the blizzard slammed the western part of the state, where dozens of people were killed in the storms. Now, another tragic loss is reported as 35,000 dairy cows lost their lives. Let's see. The surviving cows will likely see a dip in the milk supply because they were not being milked regularly for 2 or more days, and customers are likely to see increase in the milk prices, according to the economist at Texas A&M University. Anyway, that's that. They said they tried to prepare for it, but the farmers tried to prepare for it, but they just couldn't prepare enough. It was just a freak storm. Farmers are trying to decide how to dispose of the carcasses that dot the landscape, while others might be found until the snow melts. Farmers prepared as best they could, putting down extra bedding behind the windbreaks, placing extra bales of hay in front of the calf bungalows and in places where the snow typically accumulates. But the blizzard raged on, and the cows sought shelter behind the windbreakers, were buried alive by the drifts of snow. Others froze to death in the open fields, and the calves nestled inside the hutches when hungry, because no one could reach them to feed them. The farmers who tried to rescue the animals became disoriented and lost on their own land. And we did the best we could for our animals, but as the storm worsened, saving them meant risking our own lives of our workers, a horrifying decision to have to make.